There's a moment teams experience that leaders don't always see right away. It's the moment when leadership behavior shifts. Not because a new initiative was announced, not because a policy changed, but because how leaders show up starts to feel different. I've watched teams go from guarded to engaged without anyone saying, "We're working on culture now." The shift happens when leadership behavior becomes more intentional, when communication is clear, when expectations are consistent, when accountability feels fair instead of reactive. Teams feel that immediately. This is why culture doesn't change through statements or slogans. It changes through leadership behavior. And when leadership behavior changes without support, it rarely lasts. People default back to old patterns, not because they want to, but because behavior follows environment. At IXDG, this is where culture reset sprints come in. A culture reset sprint isn't about fixing people. It's about recalibrating how leadership behavior is experienced across the organization. We look at where leadership signals are misaligned, where communication creates confusion, where trust has weakened over time, where expectations aren't landing as intended. Then we reset intentionally. Not everything at once, not forever, but enough to shift the trajectory. When leaders become more aware of how their behavior impacts teams, something important happens. Teams stop guessing. They stop bracing. They start engaging again. Not because leaders become perfect, but because leadership became predictable, clear, and human. Culture resets don't feel dramatic to leaders. They feel relieving to teams because consistency creates safety and safety fuels engagement. Culture shifts when leadership's behavior changes and teams feel it first.